Changing weather brings lots and lots of problems, and one such problem is cold and cough, infection, sore throat, body ache, and sometimes fever. So, can we do something naturally to cure these problems? Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha, and I will be sharing an amazing recipe with all of you. This is an age old recipe used since ages to cure the problem of sore throat, cold and cough, sneezing, infections, and it also helps in boosting your immunity. So, whenever weather changes, whether you're coming from summers to winters or winters to summers, these problems happen, and during these problems, you can just drink this amazing drink that I'm going to share with you today. And I'm 100% sure this is going to help you. And you can also give it to children. And this is a wonderful way to bid farewell to all the problems related to weather change, including body ache. How to prepare it? Let's go to my kitchen and understand. So we are in my kitchen, and I have taken 1 cup of milk and I have put it for boil, and I have taken a little bit of adrak, ginger, mashed it nicely and put it in this milk for a nice boil. I've also taken a little bit of turmeric. If you can get kachi haldi, raw turmeric, which looks like ginger only with yellow and orangish color, better to take that. If you don't have that, then you can take turmeric powder. So let this boil. On the other flame, I have kept pure cow desi ghee in a bowl, and let this ghee become not just warm but hot. Let it become absolutely hot. And on the other side, the milk in which has ginger and turmeric in it, that's boiling. Now I'm going to take ajwain, and we will be putting this ajwain in hot ghee. So once this ajwain changes color, just switch off your gas, put the flame down, and here your milk is also boiled and ready. Now I'm going to put this mixture of ghee and ajwain in a cup. So this ajwain is absolutely ready. Put it in cup. Do not use a strainer yet. Just put this mixture in cup. After putting it in cup, then you have to use a strainer. So take this mixture, put it in cup along with ghee and ajwain both. Take a strainer and just strain your milk so that the ginger and other particles remain out and your milk is ready. Now this is an amazing remedy to cure all the change of weather problems. As I said, whether it be fever or sore throat, or even the problem of body ache. So you must take it in the night before going to bed, and make sure that you cover your throat and your head nicely, and you wear a little warm clothes after drinking it, because your body might sweat after drinking it. That is absolutely fine. If you are feeling warm and sweating at your throat, at your head, at your ears, at your back, that means your infection is going. That means you will be healthy next day. You can do it for 3 continuous days, and within 3 days, your problem will be solved. I have also shared a recipe of halira, which is again one of the best recipes, especially for fever. If you have very high fever or repeated fever, do take that halira. That's all for today. If you have any other question, any other query related to your life, related to Indian culture, related to your health, or you love eating something but you want to know a healthier version of that, do write to us, and I'm going to come up with an episode on that. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Hari Om, Namaste, Jai Hind.